Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, I wanted to share with you my Inktober box that I received in the mail today. Today is September 29th, so it's just in time for the month of October and for participating in this collab. Now, if you don't have this box or this kit and you want to join in, by all means, just grab some paper, notebook. For example, you've seen this journal, this bullet journal before, where I have some doodles and some tangles that I have in here. This is where I showed this here. So you don't have to have the actual Zentangle tiles. You don't have to have, again, what's in this kit. Kelli Blouin is the YouTube person that has this channel, MinsofZen or Minutes of Zen, and you can follow along with her. I will be also making some videos as I follow along with her, and I will be uploading my videos. So please feel free to jump in. You don't have to, again, purchase the kit, and Kelli in her video states that as well. For example, I have these little journal booklets that I got. I think they're 3-pack at Hobby Lobby. And I've used these to follow along with her because she doesn't always have kits. And then, for example, this one was back in 2024, and I wanted to use my metallic gel pens. So I used these. And then February of 2024, she had some videos with heart tangles. So I did that. And then in May, I used this for, I think it was a garden theme where she had, I think, a long stretch of paper and she did it that way. But I decided again to still follow in the booklet here. And then what I used were some pastel pencils to color these in. And then I just softened them out with like a blender. So see, so you don't need a kit if you don't have one, and you can jump in at any time. So let me go ahead and open up the box. I believe Kelli and her daughter put these together. I had wanted to buy some kits in the past. They sell really fast. In fact, I don't think that there are any available. I think they're sold out, but you can always check her website, you know, if you wanted to do something in the future. And let's see. So this is a little welcome letter. So welcome to your Inktober kit. The Inktober challenge is done each October by artists all over the world. And so these particular prompts for the tangles were put together by this certified Zentangle teacher, Stephanie Jennifer. So she has 31 of these tangles. So that is what Kelli has put together for us to participate in this challenge. So there's that. And then she always includes one of her drawings, and then I think she of course makes copies of them. But isn't this adorable? And it says Inktober 2025. Just so cute. And in one of her videos she shows how she makes these cute little birds. And then that's her signature there. And it is numbered, so everyone that orders a kit, the back of the little tile here is numbered, and I believe in the middle of the month she will do a drawing, you know, for a winner to win something. And then she has her initials here. So this is just so cute, isn't that adorable? And this is a little glassine envelope. So you'll put that there. Pretty paper. Again, us crafters, we will definitely go ahead and reuse this. Really pretty. And so these are the Zentangle tiles. They're called Bijou, or the little snail is called Bijou. I've never used or drawn on the official Zentangle tiles, so I'm excited to have this. And then on the back, or I don't know if this might be the front, this is where you do your tangle. And then here on this side, you can put the name of the tangle, you know, maybe a little gratitude note or what you were feeling that day. if you'd like to, or maybe the name of the name of the tangle and the name of the artist if you want. So, you know, these are all for you. And then, you know, however we want to decide to use them. And you can also do like a little hole punch and then just keep these all together. So I believe there's probably 31, if not a little bit more in here. So that is really nice to have. And then there is this sticker. So when Kelli was showing what her box contained, you know, for us, she mentioned that she cut these using her Cricut. So nice fall colors. And she said that we will be tangling on here too. So this is something that, a sticker that we can place, you know, on a notebook, or maybe on a notebook or a drinking cup, anything like that, wherever we choose. So really cute there. And then these are the items that we're, the drawing tools and other tools that we're going to be using. So there's the official Zentangle pencil. This is that little, goodness, it does have a name. I have so many of these actually, because I like to use them with my pastels and my pastel pencils. So I have a whole bunch in different sizes, but these are what we use to smudge the pencil, the graphite. I also have white charcoal pencil, so I might use that as well on these tangles. We'll see. And then this is a Micron PN pen, and I have a set of Micron PNs in different colors because just by following and doing the tangles, as you saw in the journal here, I just like to use the different colors. But so here it is. So this is in black. And then there's also this, which I had never heard of before. So I'm excited to have this as part of this pack. It's called IdentiPen. So it looks like it's dual-sided. So there's a thicker nib, I suppose, and then a thinner nib. So it's permanent, indelible. Just to make sure it's capped tightly. And I know she said that we are going to be using this on one of the other items in this packet. So I will keep these. And then this is also interesting. So we're going to be using, I guess, this IdentiPen on this. And this is a Swedish wash towel. And it says, brings fun to clean up. These lovely sponge-like cloths soften when wet and dry to what you're holding now. A lovely addition to any kitchen sink, a bathtub, works great in the shower as well. So we are going to be tangling on this. So I think that this is going to be really fun. So a nice little addition. And then she also includes a calendar. So again, if you don't have this kit and just want to follow along, you can just print out a calendar. You can do it again in a journal. And so we will be doing the tangles on each of the days here if you want. So that's kind of nice. It's a nice heavier cardstock. And then she also has just a plain, but again, it is a little bit heavier, so maybe the ink won't go through, but that's okay. And what we do with this is for each tangle that we have for the day, we are going to be adding it to this page. So at the end of the 31 days, this will be one nice tangled drawing. So I'm looking forward to that as well. And then she said that she was including this, and this is a little haunted house, so to speak. It's got the little ghosts and the pumpkin, the mushrooms, the bats, little cracks going on along here. And it says that it's a bonus activity and video. And so there's exclusive videos. That's just why I'm covering the QR code there. And it says, grab your pen, scissors, and a glue stick, and let's create something spooky together. So I know that Kelli will be having some tingles that we're going to be adding on here. So again, this too is nice, nice cardstock. So nice little fun activities for this kit. I hope you join along. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Love this. So, and again, I had wanted to buy some other kits, but they do run out really, really quickly. So you have to, so if it's something that you want, you have to get pretty much when she lets you know. I ordered this last week, so I was actually surprised that it was still available. But I'm excited to start this on, I guess Wednesday is October 1st. So again, if you don't have anything, you can just use, you know, whatever it is that you have on hand. So that is it for this video. Again, it's Inktober, a Minutes of Zen drawing experience, and this is her website. And I think I will link her channel in my description box as well. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.